What controls the defrost cycle on a heat pump, and why it matters for keeping your home comfy all winter long? So, the defrost cycle on a heat pump is mainly controlled by something called the Defrost control board. It's like the brains of the operation, deciding when to start the defrost process to stop frost from building up on your outdoor unit. The defrost thermostat is another key player. It senses how cold the coil is and tells the control board when it's time to kick in the defrost cycle. When frost or ice builds up, it messes with how well your heat pump works, so this cycle helps melt that ice off. You want this process happening just right. Too often, and you waste energy. Not enough, and your system struggles to heat your home. Some heat pumps use sensors that check the outside temperature and coil temperature to decide when to start defrosting. If you notice your heat pump running longer than normal in cold weather or your home isn't getting warm, the defrost controls might be the cause. Keeping these parts in good shape means your heat pump stays efficient and saves you money on heating bills. One of the biggest mistakes people make with heat pump defrost cycles is ignoring frost buildup on the outdoor coil. If you don't catch this early, your system works harder and uses more energy. The fix is to regularly check the outdoor unit and call a pro if you see thick ice layers. Another issue is a faulty defrost control board, which can cause the heat pump to get stuck in defrost mode or never enter it at all. Both bad for heating performance. Getting a technician to test or replace this board usually solves the problem. Third, people sometimes overlook the defrost thermostat, which can fail or get dirty and give wrong readings, messing up the timing of defrost cycles. Cleaning or swapping out the thermostat keeps everything running smoothly and avoids annoying cold spells inside. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know heat pump systems inside and out. Contractors also get more job opportunities by connecting with homeowners who need expert help fixing or maintaining their heat pumps.